क्या कर रहा है? क्या कर रहा है? It's always the government folks. Oh, it's not a Porsche, it's a Tesla. Fuck. I mean, it's crazy. This guy might be a big shot if he has a Tesla. Yo guys, what's up? It's October 17th and I guess in 2-3 days it's Diwali. And everyone is going to, I guess, be in that festive mindset. I hope everyone is doing great and सब लोग अपना दिवाली का सब तैयारी किया, साफ सफाई सब हो गया होगा अभी तक. So I am somewhere near Vashi toll naka and we are going to start our vlog from here. I guess last time also मैंने यहीं से start किया था. If you look over here, ये खाड़ी के बाजू में खड़े रह के मैं हमेशा vlog कर रहा हूँ. I guess most of this has become my most familiar frame. By the way, I have opened a new channel, guys, called as Cool Shal, where I'll be only posting about my music content, like my DJ sets, my music. If I create any music, I'll upload it over there. So please go and subscribe to the channel and support. Genre that I cover is dubstep, drums and bass, house music, hip hop. If you guys are interested in such music, please go and subscribe to that channel. I'll add the link in the description or at the end of the video. Here's the name of that channel, Cool Shal. Okay, please go and subscribe. Please show some love if you guys love music and DJ sets. Anyways, let's start with the vlog.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So it was Diwali party. Diwali party तो नहीं बोल सकता, but it was Diwali celebration at our office. So we got lunch and I've been looking at many reels आजकल जो सब लोग अपना दिवाली का जो गिफ्ट्स मिला है that everyone is keeping on sharing. भाई तुम लोगों को कैसे मिल रहा है यार ऐसा सब कुछ? किसी को वो कूलर का एयर प्यूरिफायर, किसी को JBL का स्पीकर्स मिल रहे हैं, किसी को बोट के स्पीकर्स मिल रहे हैं. ब्रो तुम लोगों को पता है मेरे को क्या मिला? व्हाट आई हैव गॉट एज दिवाली गिफ्ट डूड, सम ड्राई फ्रूट्स का डब्बा एंड बोरोसिल का पानी का बॉटल. We got Borosil ka bottle and on reels when I'm scrolling and I'm seeing everyone getting things like bags तो बहुत commonly bag दे देते यार, कुछ तो यूज होता. Borosil का bottle दे दिया पानी का and people are getting air conditioners. I mean जो पता नहीं air coolers मिल रहा है, कूलर का. People are getting speakers. I don't know कौन सा कंपनी है भाई ये. हमारे कंपनी के पास इतना बजट क्यों नहीं होता है? दे दो यार, कभी हम भी खुश हो जाए. People who have got gifts in Diwali, good gifts in Diwali, bro, you guys have been born in this world with a really good नसीब. ये नसीब किसी को नहीं मिलता है bro. It's a very rare case scenario that you guys got something at Diwali, on Diwali dude. Anyways, the climate is not that cold now because it's October 17th and my expectations were like in Mumbai थोड़ा तो chill हो जाना चाहिए at night time because Mumbai is really famous for its October heat. और इस बार तो बारिश ने साला पूरा साल भर गिरा है. Yesterday also it was raining actually. It's October 17th today. Yesterday on October 16th, like around evening time in Navi Mumbai and outskirts of Mumbai towards Navi Mumbai, it was raining. Mumbai surprises bro. Mumbai surprises. I hope other states and cities are having a good climate over there. कुछ थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे भी पार्सल कर दो यार, थोड़ा सा पार्सल कर दो. क्लाइमेट को थोड़ा पार्सल कर दो. I am wearing this jacket and I am going. Morning में तो I had bath with sweat and I am wearing a kurta by the way. Traditional पहनने मिला है तो कभी ना कभी तो निकलना चाहिए. And I guess traditional तो हम लोग को proudly पहनना चाहिए, especially on Diwali rather than wearing western clothes. Unless and until you don't wear traditional, it doesn't feel like an Indian festival, right? So भाई पहना करो traditional. I need to get a bit active on reels, so I'll be posting more on reels. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, so please go and follow at Cool Shal. So I'll add the handle over here, Instagram handle somewhere over here. I don't know where, but I'll add it over here somewhere. And please go guys and follow me on Instagram. So I am going to be more active over there as well. I guess ladies don't like this kind of content bro. They don't like it. I can guarantee you. My mother, my sister, they hate it whenever I put something some content of Anurag Solgaonkar. Bro, they don't understand anything because I don't know why, but we guys do connect to such kind of content. I don't know why. Even though someone is riding and talking, I guess it's fun. I hope the road is clear till Mumbai, I mean Andheri. मैं जल्दी पहुंच जाऊँ. Everybody might have gone to their native, I guess, जो मुंबई में आए. मतलब नेटिव से ज़्यादा अपने घर गए होंगे. Because most of the people in Mumbai who come here are for work purpose. People who stay over here are there. But there are many people who travel to work come from different cities because Mumbai is a city of dream according to everyone. And तो ऐसे फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे usually there is less traffic and people go to their hometown और they are on leave. बाहर घूमते जाता है तो रास्ते थोड़े खाली होते हैं तो चलाने मज़ा आता है. It's a fun riding in no traffic in Mumbai. Yo, Himalayan. Nice Himalayan. Okay, I saw this color for the first time. भाई बहन भाई, मैंने बोल दिया ट्रैफिक और ये लो थोड़ा सा ट्रैफिक. I guess people are there. They didn't go to their home for vacation. भाई ट्रैफिक है वही नहीं लोग. No one has gone out of Mumbai. Everybody is over here, guys. They are working this next week. तो तुम लोग का किसी का भी कुछ meetings and all हो, guys, carry on cause people are over here. No one has left. कितना ट्रैफिक है देखो. Oh, maybe this some vehicle has stalled. No, it was traffic. Usually यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक नहीं होता है. So if there is traffic over here means people are there. Himalayan is a good bike. I don't like the new one Himalayan. The first version of Himalayan was really good and look wise as well. I don't find the new Himalayan that great cause it looks like Xpulse. The newer Xpulse looks more better than the current Himalayan. I guess they should get back to the similar design, Himalayan design, cause this was the OG. Many people say that the new Himalayan is much better look-wise as well, but I still feel that it looks more like Xpulse. And the newer Xpulse, if you guys might have seen, I'll add the photo दोनों का आजू बाजू में. You guys see and compare. Bro, मैंने अभी just थोड़े टाइम पहले बोला था कि ट्रैफिक नहीं होगा. And look at this. And there is traffic, bro. There is traffic. Fuck. Why does this has to happen all the time? Just said no traffic and there is traffic. No helmet. Traffic police. अगर तुम लोग मेरा देख रहे हो, BMC वाला है. It's always the government folks breaking the rules, and they expect the civilians to follow the rules. Bro, I want to start with gaming as well यार, but तुम लोग सारे लोग सब्सक्राइब ही नहीं करते. सब्सक्राइब करो यार, अगर देखते होगे थोड़ा बहुत सब्सक्राइब करो. Just spoke about no traffic and there is traffic. Why the hell this has to happen? I'll start recording once I surpass this traffic, cause I don't think I'm going to move from here within like 5-10 minutes. It's going to take 15-20 minutes cause आगे का गाड़ी move ही नहीं हो रहा है यार. So let's go and start with the vlog ahead. मेरा mood ही खराब हो गया है ट्रैफिक देख के. शी यार. Oh, it's not a Porsche, it's a Tesla. Fuck. I haven't seen a Tesla for a while and look at it. It's looking pretty. I want to capture it, guys. Bro, मेरे को जाने दो. पाजी मेरे को जाने दो. I mean, I haven't seen Tesla so much on the roads of Mumbai. मेरे इधर एक मरोल में था Tesla, which was black color का. I don't know. I have seen it 2-3 times. I don't know the model, but this is the first Tesla I have seen in a while. Like 5-6 years back, I might have seen that Tesla. ये कौन सा मॉडल है ब्रो टेस्ला का? ब्रो, I guess ये सेल्फ ड्राइव कर रहा है. Bro, look at it. So pretty. Look at the wheels, bro. I mean, it's crazy. This guy might be a big shot if he has a Tesla. I don't know which model is this. Bro, it looks pretty from back. It's well designed. The back is well designed. It's not too aggressive. It looks futuristic as well. And on the right hand side, bro, that's a beauty. Beauty. आगे से तो और ही class लग रहा है. The front lights are really crazy. Bro, this car is a bomb. हाँ जा भाई, ठोक ले तू. I would rather be stuck in traffic in Tesla rather than stuck on traffic on a Meteor. Bro, I guess I can't see the front of this car, but the front of this car is really very pretty. Bro, ये काय का ट्रैफिक है रे? Why there is so much traffic? अबे यार पूरा भीग गया हूँ मैं, अंदर से अभी नहा लूँगा I guess. Such a त्रास. Bro, there is a lot of traffic यार. It's not a highway, it's a flyover. A flyover and a highway is a different. Highway is to my way. Flyover is to जहाँ पे अपन गाड़ी को उड़ा सकते हैं. I mean, you can fly over.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Welcome to Daily Bakwas. इंडिया में जुगाड़ is next level. I was going to go out, but ऑफिस से घर पहुँचते में ही साला रात हो जाता है कि सोने का टाइम. रात हो जाता है मतलब ऑफिस से घर पहुँचते ही सोने का टाइम हो जाता है. भाई क्या जिंदगी है यार ये. I mean, क्या जिंदगी है. Wait, I'll start this again, dude. I'll start this topic again. देखो. These are the guys. These guys are going out of Mumbai. ये लोगों का काम हो गया, अभी दिवाली के लिए जा रहा है. So there would be less traffic. If you guys can see on the left hand side, there are a lot of people going out of Mumbai. Crazy. Nice. That's nice. Bye people. Bye folks. Anyways, it's Diwali, dude. This week is going to be Diwali and everywhere it's going to be lit up in Mumbai. And if you see good places like nice beach में से चलो भाई, यही तुम्हारा फुटपाथ है. See, this is where civic sense, people with क्या बोलता है, civic sense comes into play. When you know that for a pedestrian to walk, they should walk on the left hand side or the right hand side of the road or on the footpath. Simple. They walk in the middle. I mean, I feel what people lack in India is civic sense, dude. Civic sense zero civic sense. कचरा इधर उधर फेंको. I mean सिग्नल है तो भी बीच में आ जाओ. I don't understand it. सिग्नल है भाई रुको यार. कार्स को बाइक्स को भी रुकना चाहिए जैसे तुम पेडिस्ट्रियंस को भी रुकना चाहिए, राइट? जस्ट वेट, लुक अराउंड. सिविक सेंस स्कूल में सीखा है ब्रो. क्या बोले भाई, सिविक सेंस एंड देन वी ब्लेम द गवर्नमेंट. आई मीन गवर्नमेंट को तो ब्लेम करना चाहिए फॉर सम थिंग्स, बट I guess always blaming the government. I guess all the four fingers should be pointed at us first. हम लोग खुद को पहला सुधारो. Then we are the right people to question the government. अरे ये क्या कब से टप आवाज आ रहा है?
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
Indians do lack civic sense, dude. तुम सो मानो या ना मानो, we fight over governments, we fight over religion, but the main thing that we all lack is civic sense and common sense, dude. We all lack it. जिस दिन आ जाएगा ना सब चीज़ें ठीक होने चालू हो जाएंगी, and it's really hard. But it is actually totally not our fault as well, because our history has been really bad. I mean that's the reason why we are this way, or else we would have been rich in culture, rich in knowledge, rich in everything, but we were looted and brainwashed. It's not totally our fault as well, but I guess we could. Nowadays people, I mean Gen Zs or millennials are a bit sensible. They think before doing anything, such stupidity. It's a really nice place. आजा ठोक ले. क्या कर रहा है? राइट पे क्यों ले रहे हो? आप राइट पे क्यों ले रहे हो? सडनली राइट पे क्यों ले रहे हो? खुद का तो जान जा रहा है, फिर दूसरे को की जान पे जा रहे हो? हाँ, अरे भाई तुमने कैसा राइट लिया? मैंने कैप्चर किया है. अरे तो गड्ढा था क्या? खुद की जान छोड़ के दूसरे की जान लोगे? अरे नहीं था भाई जगह. मेरे वीडियो में भाई देख लो तुम. एनीवेज बाय. सी दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव टू. सिविक सेंस, डूड. खुद का जान बचाने के लिए दूसरे, मतलब आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे डू इट. ब्रेक सीधा लगाओ ना, बाजू में क्यों लगा रहे हो? राइट में आ रहे हो. दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, सिविक सेंस. आई मीन व्हाट दे कुड डू इज दे कुड स्लो डाउन द व्हीकल, एंड आई मीन या देयर इज खड्डा ऑन द रोड, बट रुको यार, अभी तुम्हारी गलती है. मतलब गलती तो नहीं है, बट आई मीन I guess it's not his fault as well. This we could blame the government. In this case, we could blame the government, right? In this place, we could blame the government. This is not the fault of both of the civic people. Because अभी खड्डे हैं तो खड्डे ठीक भी नहीं करते हैं, तो ऐसे सब होने का चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. अभी he was also right at his place. He would obviously try to save himself. And मैं अगर एक certain speed में हूँ, then it would harm me. But मेरी भी गलती नहीं है bro, right? मेरी भी गलती नहीं है. तो मैं भी गुस्से में आके उसको ही चिल्लाऊंगा, बट गलती उसकी और मेरी है कि नहीं है, इज द क्वेश्चन. सो यर whom is to blame. ये एक्चुअली अच्छा एग्जाम्पल ही मिल गया लाइव, जो मैं चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन करने ट्राई कर रहा था. आई मीन एट सम प्लेस वी कैन एक्चुअली ब्लेम द सिविलियंस, बट नॉट ऑलवेज ब्लेम द सिविलियंस. I mean government की बहुत सारी गलतियाँ हैं. They could actually fix the road, they make it right. By the way, I heard some bakwas thing about petrol as well. So now I mean these bikes are ethanol friendly bikes, right? My bike is also E20 friendly bike. But what is happening is in petrol now there would be 20% of ethanol. So the performance of the bike would impact due to that. People would eventually start paying more for the pure petrol, because nowadays I am also filling my bike with power petrol rather than normal petrol, because normal petrol में ethanol, I don't know about power petrol, उसमें भी हो सकता है, but उससे मेरे को actually good average मिल रहा है. So yeah, I don't know it is a good thing or bad thing, but I do appreciate many things about government, and there are few things that are quite questionable, but I don't know. I am like वो क्या बोल रहा तराजू वे 50-50 बैलेंस. लाइक आई एम ओके विद द गवर्नमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ दीज ऑल थिंग्स. They are making metros, they are building connectivities. बहुत ज़्यादा connectivity है, coastal route. They are actually getting our heritage back by creating statues of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which should be done, dude. Because people find it really awful, like why they are doing it. एक ऐसा schools and colleges पे जाना चाहिए, bro. But if our culture is just in books, how would they believe in future that such people did exist, really existed, right? So to keep that keep them alive, these statues need to be made. I know this is a controversial statement again, but I believe that it is fine. People should know the right people. But khadde, traffic, I mean government need to do something about it. I'm okay with the thing that they are doing. I'm really happy with the thing what they are doing now. The metros everywhere. Now I can go from Andheri to South Mumbai Cuff Parade within like 45 minutes, sitting in an AC train, AC metro, underground, not caring about traffic, and be there on time. Yeah, this is Hiranandani for you guys, by the way. This is Hiranandani for you guys. So look at the lighting over here everywhere. It's so beautiful. It's so lit up. दिवाली के टाइम पे हर साल यहाँ पे ऐसा ही होता है. सी आगे फिर से हो गया. Bro, nothing. It's because of the खड्डा. क्या करे इंसान जब रोड्स ही ऐसे हो. देखो ये देखो ऑफ रोडिंग करने पड़ता है मुंबई में. So some things that government needs to work on. I mean, kudos to all those things. No doubts, no complaints about all those things. But after I guess all this thing happens, they should focus on the road. So I hope you guys have an amazing week. Have a great festive week. It's Diwali. Enjoy. मत सुनो किसी की, करो जो तुम्हारी मन की. तुमको अगर पटाखे फोड़ने का मन है फोड़ो, जाओ एंजॉय करो लाइफ को. बचपन में हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया ये सब चीज़. अभी लोग are making it गुनाह बना रहे. They are making it, what do you say, like a crime. If you're bursting crackers, it's a crime. Don't listen to it. अपने मन की करो. Go enjoy freely. पटाखे फोड़ो. Spend time with your family. Spend good time with your family. साफ सफाई करो. भाई दूज बनाओ भाई बहनों के साथ. मजे करो. Enjoy करो. Have a hell of a time with your friends and all. So take care guys. Happy Diwali in advance. Have an amazing life ahead. And take care. See you in the next video guys. Wow. ऐसे बीच में खड़े रहो. This is civic sense. This is civic sense. Right? This is no civic sense, dude. ये मैं बोल रहा था यहाँ पे सिविलियंस की गलती है. इसमें तुम गवर्नमेंट भी कुछ नहीं कर सकता भाई.